Hi kids, this is just a quick video to show you how easy it is to take the stock end cap off your TPI or TBI bike and switch it over to our new spark arrestor high performance end cap. First of all, you just have to drill out the rivets on your stock pipe like this. Then personally, I put it back on the bike to hold it, and it comes out real easy when you get a chisel or a screwdriver or something on this little edge that pokes out. You just kind of hit it with a hammer, work its way around, and it will come right out. Now we install our end cap. It fits right in. You do have this packing here. You might have a little packing overhang that comes into this area here. That's no problem. Get a screwdriver, kind of finagle things back into place. Little hammer whacking. One of the best things about anything we make is the holes are already pre-drilled and you get the screws with it. Everything perfectly lines up. Zing it together. See how those just go in perfectly every single time? Now life's easy because here's your spark arrestor element, slides in place. Cap goes on with these 2 screws. Tighten it down, that's it.